show up and say what he said, but he showed up. I had started out on, so this is my glittery green booger slime. It's a booger slime. I need to take this. And then right in the camera. So yeah, I know how to make another bowl. So yeah, ready? It's time to put that stuff. You don't need that much. There's always skin to put that on there. Piece. Yeah, I thought it was going to show y'all the filter first. Yeah, I'm now acting on this one piece. I want this tiny piece. Wait, I'm getting one more piece. So I want this medium size piece. Wait, yeah, so that's piece. I want medium piece. Okay, so next step is to make it like this. So the shape like something big. Hold on this. Poke a hole like that. Just like this out. Like that. Yes, sir. So poke it just for a minute. Okay. Poke. No. Now that was a skinny looking one, so I hope you guys got that. Now, this is a that's how we. Wow, I wish you guys could see that. So y'all, I'm going to be after this, go watch my video. I'm just going to make another video after this video. So what we're going to be adding Mama, get up! This